Hey, what's up, guys? As in, I'm here. Okay, so this is the SP. Let me see here. Let me scroll up. This is the SP Vikander model. Okay, so this is the DTR policy plus the TR6 slash TR2 vision. Okay. Um, I want to confess all my all my previous video regarding the swapping of the models. Okay. You know what, guys? It turns out that um it's all TR7, the default. Okay. Because I never properly compiled the Onyx files. Supposed to be converted to PKL. That's the one that the model uses. And I didn't um, compile it properly. So it's using TR7. Okay, just to be transparent with you guys. So so it really depends on how you think about it, I guess. When you swap the Onyx fresh before when you git clone, swap it right away and delete the default PKL so it will compile. So what I did was uh, next time if I'm gonna swap, I'm gonna use master to help me convert the Onyx to PKL, and then that PKL, then I'm gonna use in sunnypilot. Okay, going forward. Again, so it turns out all my swap DTR videos prior, okay, are all TR7. Okay, the default. I just want to be honest. Okay. Anyway, so this is the SP Vikander model. It's in the switch model switcher, and Discount Chub also said the SGO1 is also good. Okay, so all you have to do is in order for you to use this is URL install is sunnypilot slash dev c3 new. Okay, I'll put it in the comment section. But anyway, so here's the candor in action. As you can see here, plenty of space to my left. Okay, I have to because I'm I'm leaning towards the center console because I want to avoid the camera. So I'm kind of like off when feeling my left side. So there's plenty of space here. So you know, um, and the sun was it's up really good. It's summer here in the East Bay. It's pretty pretty warm. Yeah, it's a 9. Again, it's very good. So funny. The TR7. Actually, the TR7 is good too in my car. So if you think about it, because I made tons of video regarding the DTR swap model, and it turns out it's TR7. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed. Hey, you learn, you know. Sometimes there's keep forgetting because before it was Tinid, THNEED before. Now they went to TinyGrad PKL. Okay, so I have to remember that. Onyx is the uncompiled file. Okay, and then once you install it and reboot, when you git clone, it's gonna be Onyx initially, but once you reboot, it's gonna compile. It will turn it into numbers, computer language. Then the Onyx will become PKL, TinyGrad PKL, that PKL. That's the one that the model uses. Model uses. Okay, here's a curve here. There's a lot of cars behind me, so I'm gonna be holding this one. But still, it's very good. So I deleted all the videos on the swap because for less confusion, guys. So I'm starting fresh. Okay, so I'll pay attention with this one and then the SG. I think there's an SGO model too. So I'm gonna test that one too in the future. But for now, I'm gonna test this one. Okay, this is the DTR policy, TR6, TR2 vision. If you notice, there's a lot of shadows here because the sun is up, and it still performs good. Okay, so be careful with shadows, guys, especially at high speed. So make sure you know how the model behaves. Okay, as you can see here, a lot of shadows in the. Yeah, be careful with shadows. I'm doing lateral only. No, the long is I'm using gas press. Yeah, feel is very good. The feel is very good. You see, the more you test it, the more you drive it, the more you make it your daily driver, the more you become used to it. It's like a new car, like a new car smell. You know what I'm saying? So at first it's like, oh, a new car smell, but after a year or so, you forgot it's a new car. You know what I'm saying? So it's this, the model is the same. If this is the same, uh, if you're going from a not so great model into a great model, you'll be like, wow, 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 because you can feel the difference. But once you started using it as your daily driver for a week or a month, you know what I'm saying? The novelty will wear off. You know what I'm saying? So now you're down to looking for regression. Okay. So that's how I do it when I do long term tests. The novelty will wear off. It becomes, part of your drive. The great drive will become part of it. And you will notice a degradation. Okay. And there will be degradation. There will be regression. Okay. I've been testing models left and right for years now. And there's always regression for some reason. Okay. So expect that. But for initial install, for your first install, your first testing, you're gonna be like, wow, it's very good. Okay. So as you can see here, there's a lot of shadows. So I'm kind of like very attentive here. Um, but it still performs good. Okay. See, I'm like, shall I? Yeah. So, um, but definitely this is. I like this one better than my lemon pie. The one I've been promoting all the time, the old one. What I'm saying is, I don't mind using this as my daily driver. Since most of my routes going to and from work are, there ain't any that bad spot that much. Okay, so and NNLC is enabled. Okay, just to remind you guys. Okay, one more. Once it turns green, I've got a few more seconds to end the video. Um, yeah, if you try TR7 default and try this one and try the SGO, I think they're pretty much the same. Okay, I think they're pretty much the same. Oh my god, so funny. But anyway, again, this is Eisenheim. Thank you for watching my channel. Sorry for the confusion. You know how placebo is. But anyway, thank you and have a great day.